Hey Forktail fam! Books writing a paper and not sure how to do in-text citations? You're in the right place. In just 3 minutes, you'll know what they are, when to use them, and how to do them right. 1. What is an in-text citation? In-text citations are short notes you place inside your writing to show where you got your information. They tell the reader, this fact or quote came from this source. Pushpin example, Oppa style, Johnson, 2022. It's like giving credit while you're telling the story, not just at the end. 2. When do you use them? Use an in-text citation anytime you 1. Quote someone directly. 2. Paraphrase their ideas. 3. Summarize a study. 4. Use statistics or facts that aren't common knowledge. If you didn't come up with the info yourself, it needs a citation. Period. 3. What goes inside the citation? Different citation styles have different rules. Pushpin Oppa, author, year, Benjamin, 2025. Pushpin MLA, author, page, Benjamin 12. Pushpin Chicago, author, year or footnote, Benjamin 2025, or use a footnote and if the author isn't known, use the title or organization name instead. Pushpin example, Lightway Research and Technology Center, 2025. 4. Common mistakes to avoid crossmark no citation after a quote crossmark wrong style for the assignment crossmark only putting the source in your reference list. Without in-text citation you need both in-text citations and a reference list at the end. 5. Final tip when in doubt, cite it. It's better to oversight than to plagiarize. Plus, tools like Zotero, Google Docs, and Citation Machine make it super easy. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments, and we'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep writing smarter. Catch you next time.